You are out in your heavy-duty work truck, ready to clear the driveway with your snowplow or dump a load of gravel. But when you go to engage your power takeoff system, absolutely nothing happens. You check your dashboard and see the check engine light along with the diagnostic trouble code P2704 which means the power takeoff sense circuit is reading high. Now, this code might not leave you stranded on the side of the road since it usually does not affect the actual driving performance of your truck, but it is a massive headache when you have work to do. The power takeoff, or PTO, is a clever mechanical link to your transmission that allows the engine to run auxiliary equipment like hydraulic pumps for lift beds or winches. The powertrain control module monitors this system through a dedicated sense circuit to know when the auxiliary gear is engaged, so it can adjust engine idle and transmission behavior accordingly. When the computer sees voltage or resistance in this circuit that is way outside the normal range, it sets this code and often disables the PTO entirely to protect the transmission. Your diagnostic journey should start with a search for any technical service bulletins because companies like Ford, GMC, and Dodge often have known fixes for these work truck systems. Next, you need to crawl under the rig and trace the wiring harness that runs from the transmission out to the PTO unit. These wires are often exposed to the harshest conditions imaginable, from road salt and slush to flying rocks and extreme vibrations. Look for a connector that has vibrated loose or a wire that has chafed through its insulation against the metal frame of the truck. High voltage codes often point to a short to power or a badly corroded ground connection that is causing electrical resistance to skyrocket. Grab your digital multimeter and check the fuses and fusible links first, because a simple blown fuse can easily trigger a circuit high code. If the wiring and fuses look perfect, you might be looking at a defective PTO sensor or even a problem deep within the powertrain control module itself. While this is not a severe code for the engine's health, it is a total deal breaker for your productivity. So getting that multimeter out and checking for a solid ground connection is the best way to get back to work without spending a fortune at the specialty repair shop.